Jordan!
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Nothing.
First day, fourth grade.
You can say what's up, man.
Okay, yeah, I did. Who is that footy coming from your mom?
Yes, very.
Well, how was today?
Today was good.
What made it good?
First of all, I got the nicest teacher out of all of fourth grade.
Oh, yeah?
Out of all of school, actually.
Okay, what's her name?
Miss Douglas.
Okay.
And we didn't even work much today. She mostly talked.
Okay, so that made it good?
Yes.
Now, you know, you usually talk about lunch and recess and all that stuff.
Which happened.
Was it good?
Yes.
Yeah? What are you doing?
There was a spot.
Oh, okay. So tell me about your day.
It was good. I got back from boxing.
Oh, you went to boxing today?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
I'm a boxer.
That's awesome. You know, you look like a boxer.
Especially when I was small and with Snaggletooth, I had on boxing gloves.
Well, you know what? It's time to get you in football, too.
Yeah,
You ready?
I do like football.
You ready for football?
I like tackling people down for about the end.
Okay. Well, okay. Well, listen, baby, I love you.
Love you too.
And I'll see you same time again next year.
Peace.
Peace.